Hey guys, we are in Home Sense and touchdown $7.99. Okay, so we have this touchdown mug here, this football season slim cooler, which I still don't understand what it is. $9.99. And then these Choose Happy with the sunflower on top, super cute. $12.99. Not bad. We have this Home Sweet Home standing shelf. It's Rae Dunn. It's $79.99, as you can see right here. And it says Home, Sweet, and Home. This is nice for like an entryway or a kitchen. Maybe a bathroom too for your towels. Look at this Blessed Home 2-pack flameless LED wax 6-inch candle set. They have one and a couple of more up here, and these are going for $10. And this is how they're supposed to look when they're on. This is cute. Here's off and here's on. That's nice. I like that. Here we have a couple of gather candles. This one is autumn leaves, cute minty green color. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. This one is gather. What's this smell? Oh, I like this one better. This one smells so much better. How much is it? It's $16.99. It's a little bigger than this one. But this one, oh my god, it smells so good. How adorable is this little clock? It's $14.99. Rae Dunn. Look at the wood in the bottom. Oh my god, this is cute. I like this. This is giving me like bachelor vibes. I don't know. And then this random key that's there. Super cute. Spiced vanilla scented soap, $6.99. And pumpkin spice soap, hand scented soap. These are cute. Look at this. Super nice in a bathroom, in the kitchen. Oh my god, they look high-end. Just because this one, especially because it doesn't have much on it. I love that. And then this one, there's a couple back there. It says Happy Fall, and it's pumpkin chai. Also $6.99. Love that. Rae Dunn Christmas is here. Mr. and Mrs. How adorable is that little doggy? I'm excited for this season. $12.99 for two of these in glass. And then Rae Dunn Christmas. Merry Christmas, $9.99. What? $12.99. These are super cute. Believe. I can't wait. Oh my god. These are adorable. Okay guys, look at this game day picture. It's $14.99 and it's huge, and it matches the other stuff that we just saw for football in the other store in Home Sense. Oh my god, it's huge and it's very heavy, and they have a whole bunch of these up here. What's this? Not coffee mug. I have a couple of this other oh, hello gorgeous, make it amazing. Those are iridescent. Let's go back here because usually here they have lots of mugs. Oh, nope, no Rae Dunn, but this is adorbs. Oh my god, happy fall. I like this mug, super cute, even though it's kind of not finished in that area, but I like this. How much is it? $4.99. That's cute. Oh, look at this one. This one's nice too. Look what they have down here. They have the stuffing with the spatula here, spoon. This is how much is it? $24.99. Not bad. Then they have a couple of these square mugs with the detail on the bottom. That's cute. Not my style, but it's cute. I have lots of disposable plates and napkins. They all say thankful, and they have pumpkins or the little gnome. Those are cute. Very nice. And then here in the office area, we have a lot of... I love this lighter wood. I don't know, it just looks better than the dark wood. I don't know, what do you think? Oh, this is different. Did it break and they decide to do this? Just... that's different. Not bad. Note to self, $5.99. That's nice. I would get that. I just don't need it right now. Oh, there's a lot. This one says Autumn Vibes, and this one says Happy Thanksgiving. Those are really cute. I could add those in my Thanksgiving Rae Dunn coffee bar or coffee station. I don't know how you call it, but I think I can add those. I don't know. Super cute and adorbs. So I'm at the checkout area. I am purchasing that vase, and I have this Give Thanks here. I also have Practice Make Perfect, and there's also this one that I have never seen before that says Tackle with Delight. Oh, my Halloween one. This one has something in the back? Nope. Okay, so that's about it. Nothing else. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's another day, and here we are headed to TJ Maxx. And here is the part of the video that I told you that I scored. I tell you, when I am not looking is when I find these items, and usually when I am broke. So it's a little sad and exciting at the same time. How gorgeous are these? That is adorable. I love this end cap. Look at this. Beautiful candle. Okay, so you don't see that I am talking a lot in this portion of the video, just because this store was a little full and there was so many women and children around me, and I didn't want to sound weird just talking about an item. So I just stayed silent and decided to do a voiceover of these beautiful candles that this store was so jam-packed with that you will see now. I was so excited. Oh my god, look at this portion. Sorry guys, I know you guys hear me breathing a little hard in this video, but I had a mask on and that's the reason. But these candles, oh my god, they were beautiful. This one was acorn woods for $9.99, and it was a beautiful burgundy, deep burgundy color, which I loved so much. How adorable are these coasters? I never actually paid mind to the Rae Dunn coasters, but these are beautiful. I mean, the colors, the saying, I just fell in love. And here is a portion that I was talking to you about. Oh my god, I found the candles in the last video that I uploaded. Was the video of the new October items, and I was not expecting to find these items as quick as I did, which is why I'm so surprised. But they had all three, actually 3, 4, 5 of the candles that I showed in that video here in this shop with me, and I was shocked. Look at this. I did not think I would find these as quick as I did, and trust me, they're $14.99, and I want to take them all home. 15 bucks each, 45 bucks for these 3 beautiful candles. I love them. They all have a fall scent. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at the detail on this. This is beautiful pumpkin spice, $16.99. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, it smells really good. Look at the coasters. There's another cozy up here.